Adobe just completely redefined what a PDF can do. For decades, PDFs have been static, something you read, sign, or store away. But with the brand new Acrobat Studio, your documents become intelligent. In today's video, I'll break down what Acrobat Studio is, how it works, what makes it different, and most importantly, how you as a small business owner, freelancer, or creator can actually use this right now to save hours and close more clients. Let's get into it. For the past 30 years, PDFs have been the digital equivalent of paper. You can view them, sign them, highlight them, maybe comment on them. But they don't do anything. Think about how many hours you've wasted digging through long contracts, reading client proposals line by line, or searching for one number in a 50-page report. That ends with Acrobat Studio. Adobe finally merged AI directly into the document workflow. And it's not just an upgrade. It's an entirely new platform. So what is it exactly? Acrobat Studio is a new AI-powered productivity hub that combines Adobe Acrobat for all your PDF tools, edit, sign, combine, export. Adobe Express for creative design, graphics, social posts, layouts. An AI assistant that can read, summarize, and answer questions from your documents. And the centerpiece is what they call PDF spaces. PDF spaces are like little digital workspaces where you can upload up to 100 files, PDFs, Word docs, web pages, spreadsheets, and the AI can read across all of them at once. Here's an example. Imagine you're a contractor. You upload your service agreement PDF, an insurance policy, a project proposal, a few spec sheets, and a client email converted to PDF. The AI can now analyze everything together. You can literally type, "What's the total project cost across all these documents?" Or which section mentions late payment fees? And the AI responds with citations. It'll show you exactly which page, paragraph, and document the info came from. That's massive. Because now, instead of manually searching 200 pages, you get your answer in seconds. Students, lawyers, creators, business owners, this feature alone is worth its weight in gold. The built-in AI assistant is like having a personal researcher living inside your PDFs. Here's what it can do. Summarize documents. Perfect for long proposals, studies, or reports. Generate answers with citations. You can trust the output. Explain or simplify complex text, useful for contracts or legal docs. Highlight key terms automatically, like payment dates or cancellation clauses. The best part, it's conversational. You can keep asking questions like, compare these two sections, or show me deadlines across all files. It's like ChatGPT, but it actually knows your data because it's inside your workspace. Adobe also added contract intelligence, and this one's a game changer for entrepreneurs. Instead of paying for separate apps like Contract Hero or DocuSign Insights, Acrobat Studio now compares two contract versions side by side. It highlights every difference, change in terms, or new clauses automatically. For example, if the client quietly changed net 30 to net 60, you'll see it. If someone adds termination fee on page 7, it's flagged instantly. You can even ask, what changed since V1.2? And the AI summarizes it for you. That hours of legal review done in minutes, and for small biz owners or freelancers who don't have legal teams, that's powerful. Another big feature is that Adobe Express is now baked right in. That means inside the same workspace, you can generate a proposal cover page, design a client one-pager, create a quick social post summarizing your offer, all using Express AI tools, powered by Adobe Firefly, the same tech that creates graphics and layouts automatically. So now you're not jumping between 5 different apps. You stay in one place, powered by AI. Let's talk practical examples. Freelancers and service providers use Acrobat Studio to store all client contracts, proposals, and emails in one space. Ask, summarize project deadlines and payments for client A. Contractors and tradespeople, upload job quotes, permits, and supply lists. Ask, which quote includes flooring materials? Or, what's the latest total cost? Agencies and consultants, create a space per client, compare their SOWs and contracts, and let the AI flag changes before signing. Students and researchers, upload research papers, studies, and notes. Ask, which papers mention AI in education? Or summarize key findings. Content creators, upload sponsor briefs and brand contracts. Ask, which brands own usage rights? Or, how long is the content exclusivity? You're basically turning your documents into searchable intelligence systems. So, how does Acrobat Studio stack up against the competition? While ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Perplexity can answer questions, none of them can work natively inside PDFs at this level, especially with citations. Tools like Humata, ChatDoc, and Ask Your PDF pave the way, but Adobe owns the ecosystem. They have Acrobat Reader on billions of devices and the Express Suite to tie it all together. That means this isn't some startup experiment. This is the next standard for document AI. Of course, there are some limits. Free tier has caps on file size and AI queries. PDF spaces max out at 100 files per workspace. Some features, like advanced contract intelligence, may require a paid Adobe subscription. Also, like any AI, it's not perfect. If your documents are poorly formatted or scanned images, the AI might struggle to read them. But for digital docs, it's shockingly accurate. This isn't just about faster summaries, it's about document intelligence. For decades, Adobe owned the PDF space, but did little innovation for business users. Now they're making a massive pivot toward AI-driven productivity. Imagine your entire business document library being queryable, proposals, contracts, client emails, all connected by AI. That's a step toward what many call the agentic AI workplace, where AI tools not only analyze data, but act on it. Adobe AS already hinted that future versions of Acrobat Studio will let you create custom AI agents, like a research agent or sales assistant that works inside your documents. Here's how to get started. Go to Acrobat, Adobe, and look for the Acrobat Studio tab. It's rolling out now. Upload a few of your business documents into a new PDF space. Test the AI assistant. Ask questions like, summarize this contract. What's the payment schedule? Compare these versions. Use Adobe Express to design a cover page or client summary right inside Studio. Subscribe to the channel. I'll show you how to connect Acrobat Studio with Zapier and Notion next week so you can automate your client document flows end to end. Adobe didn't just upgrade Acrobat, they rebuilt the future of documents. This is one of those moments that'll age like the first time we saw Google Docs or ChatGPT. If you handle clients, contracts, or content, you need to learn this tool ASAP. Drop a comment if you want me to make a tutorial on building your first PDF space with AI. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for weekly AI business tips, and check my bio for free automation kits to save you time every week. See you in the next one.